cloud platform for efficient data usage, higher security standards, location-independent collaboration, and digital transformation with added value. This is what Google Workspace creates for enterprises. Find out how companies like Kärcher are driving holistic and future-proof business strategies with Google Workspace.
The migration to Google Workspace together with Zoe was an important milestone for Kärcher as a future-proof company. For me, the most noticeable aspect was actually the topic of collaboration, where we truly felt the biggest changes.
In a positive sense, we work together much more closely and in a much better coordinated manner.
Faster does not necessarily mean more secure. With Google Workspace, however, we achieve security through simplification and benefit from citizen development that meets all relevant security standards.
Google Workspace is particularly well suited for the manufacturing sector, especially for implementing and enforcing your own security standards. The background is that it is significantly easier than many other solutions. It is a platform that includes a very large number of functions. That means the topics of identity, data loss prevention, and compliance are all included.
This ensures that all areas of the company are securely connected. The implementation of Google Workspace necessarily involves tidying up and harmonizing, a win-win situation also for IT.
The collaboration works seamlessly from the board of directors to administration and even into production. Even on the production line, we have significantly digitized the processes.
So let's go where you probably wouldn't have expected Google Workspace to be. Into production, where frontline workers are finally connected and thereby contribute even more to digital and innovative production lines.
Today, we have mapped some processes in Google Workspace by creating data documents. In Google Sheets and Google Docs, where we store important information, they can edit checklists that we, as shift leaders, establish beforehand and then follow a set of questions.
The beauty of it is that the scheduling could directly capture the data online, provide feedback, and it almost reach production in real time.
Manufacturing and retail, production and sales work even better hand in hand with Google Workspace. This is also true for Kärcher in stores and on the shop floor. This leads to a whole new level of flexibility.
At Kärcher, we love smooth operations. We primarily use Google Workspace for collaboration and communication between employees.
Yes, for me, Google Workspace is here to stay. Google Workspace offers us countless possibilities for relatively simple process digitization and gives us the option to unlock potential in areas we didn't have before.
This is really a great improvement compared to before. We are getting faster, we are coming closer together, and I think we also have better creativity through Google.
From the shop floor to the digital sales room, Google Workspace helps to connect the analog and digital worlds of sales and directly impact the e-commerce business.
To be successful in e-commerce, you need to be able to react quickly, bring all the important people together, and adapt to new requirements accordingly. And we use Google Workspace in our team for this. It helps us communicate and collaborate with the right people in a focused manner. And we use Google Workspace, for example, to align our OKR process with all the countries involved, set goals in real time, plan tasks, establish priorities, and thus manage all our e-commerce activities accordingly.
Google Workspace has many goals. It improves the productivity of companies through real-time collaboration and seamless app integration. It offers high security standards and trustworthy data protection to protect enterprise data. Google Workspace is not a classic IT project.
Traditional IT projects typically involve a high technical workload, followed by some user training sessions, and then the project is considered complete. With Google Workspace, the focus is on applications that typically affect the entire company and impact every employee in their daily tasks, such as writing emails or holding meetings. We bring an interdisciplinary team to such projects because it's important not only to master the technical transition, but also to truly engage the people.
At Kärcher, we successfully implemented Google Workspace with our partner Zoe, and after the implementation, we jointly adjusted processes, improved workflows, and thus optimally utilize the potential of Google Workspace for us.
One platform, plenty of potential. With Google Workspace, cooperation finally becomes collaboration because we focus on people-first collaboration. Thanks to the democratization of data, frontline workers and knowledge workers are finally digitally connected. With centralized administration that makes everything more efficient, we are focusing on security by design. Security from the ground up. The best part? Google Workspace can be your kickstart for a seamless integration of Google Gemini and therefore integrative AI technology in your company. When will you further unlock your digital potential with Google Workspace?